My name is Lauren the Legend, and this is how I achieved the perfect beard with Bevel. First, we're going to prep the beard with the 2-in-1 face and beard wash to cleanse while giving the skin a healthy glow. Then I will add a small amount of the beard conditioner to hydrate and strengthen the hairs to help reduce and prevent breakage. Next, I'm going to trim his beard with the Cordless Bevel Trimmer. Now, I'll add to the look with some pomade to mold and provide a light hold. Next, I'll add a dime-sized amount of the beard oil to lock in moisture and add a long-lasting shine. I'm going to use the foil shaver to help achieve a razorless shave under the neckline. Lastly, I'll apply the toner pads to help reduce ingrown hairs and promote an even complexion.